Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Blukar LED lamp, headlamp. This is the K9121 model, and it looks like this. So you get the USB A to C charging cable and the headlamp itself, and you also have a user manual. Yeah, very useful if you want to read more about it. It comes with a nice strap which is adjustable. Goes around like this, and you can take it out through this gap. Obviously you can expand. I'm not sure why there is this in there, because you can't really remove this from what I know. That's where you can find the USB-C charging port, which is covered. And yeah, let's turn it on. So you have a power and this Wi-Fi kind of symbol. What this does is like when it's in this mode, whenever you wave with your hand in front of it, it will turn on. Then you wave back, it turns off. So first of all, let's just turn it on. And that's the light. It has low, medium, and then it's changing to this red light and off. So low, medium, that. Let's see if it double tap. Nothing happens. Triple tap. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. If you press continuously, it just turns off. So these are the modes. So let's say you want it in this mode, you press that, and then as soon as you wave, it turns off, but you can see the blue LED. As soon as you bring your hand back, it's gonna turn on or off. See, like magic. Let's see how it looks like in the dark. So okay, so let's turn off this mode. So that's in the low, high, and red. So let's have a quick look and see if we maybe have more modes. It should have strobe as well. On off mode. So weak light, weak white light, red light, strong white light, red light flashing. So short press the sensor button to turn on. Okay, that's something we tried. But what is the mode? So it's just light mode and strong mode, and then you have the red light flashes. Okay, so I don't think you have a strobe on this one. So there you have it, guys. So you press this on, that, and then this. And yeah, there you have it. It's a really good headlamp. I had one before, but I gave it to my dad, and it's just amazing. And I do really like the color of it as well. So thank you for watching.